Well, good Tuesday morning, everybody. We are live talking about the forecast and what's to come this week. It's going to be another hot one. As you probably would have guessed, it's going to be dangerously hot today, around 103 for a forecast high for San Antonio with higher values, especially south and southwest of San Antonio. Clear outside. It is mostly quiet. Radar is dry, making sure audio is working A-OK this morning. It sounds just good. If you have any questions, guys, feel free to comment down below. If you're traveling anywhere, if you're flying across the region, across the state, across the nation, we can always dive deep into the forecast and talk about details regarding that. Outside, though, it's clear. It is the start of a new month. Happy August. Average high this time of year is 97, and it's the first month this summer where average highs actually start to trend down. It's the month, the transition month, where we start to transition slowly from summer to fall. Fall doesn't begin until September 23rd, I believe, this year. But it's the hottest month of the year. August to about August 15th is that window of hottest temperatures on average, but at the end of August is when the average high starts to trend down, and so is the morning low from 75 to 73. Now, meantime, we're gonna be way above normal. You saw that average high is 97. We'll be about 5 degrees, if not 10 degrees above normal this week, as it's been the trend since pretty much June and July. 104 will be the heat index today. The red numbers represent the air temperatures, the forecast highs, and the pink numbers reflect the forecast feels like temperatures or the heat index. And you'll see it's going to be in the very similar range, right? 103 to 104 today, 102 to 103 tomorrow. Same thing for Thursday, and similar numbers for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And on those graphs, you'll see also the record highs for each day going forward. Between now and Friday, each daily record is about 103. On Saturday, it's 104, and Sunday, it's 105. And each day will at least challenge those records, if not tie them, in the foreseeable future. So get ready for a very hot forecast. Please drink plenty of water, limit time outside. Do what you can to reduce your use and reduce time outside, because it is very hot here in San Antonio and across the state, really, and across the region, because Arizona, New Mexico, Texas, the Southeast, all reporting high temperatures way above average this time of year. So anyway, reduce your use from 3 to 8 o'clock today. Meantime, temperatures across the area. We're looking at 87 at Hondo, 92 at Castroville, 86 at Bernie, and about 88 in Stockdale. Zooming out, 92 at Pearsall, and about 95 at Carrizo Springs. So the big setup, you'll see from Texas to Louisiana. The entire state of Louisiana, by the way, is underneath an excessive heat warning. That's where the ridge is very strong aloft and pushing down on the atmosphere. Now in San Antonio, we're underneath a heat advisory. Air temperatures around 103 today, heat index around 104 to 105. And that's why we're underneath that advisory criteria. The heat indices will be in the order of 103 to 106, with some higher values, especially north into Austin and central Texas, where the air is a little bit more dry. Let's fix this. Today's forecast will be, let's see, it's Tuesday, right? Let's see, Tuesday forecast. There we go. Tuesday's forecast will be up to 103, mostly sunny. And watch what happens as we kind of go forward in time. So for tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, as this high pressure ridge evolves, it doesn't move that much farther away from Texas. It'll start to weaken a little bit and kind of split and moving into northern Mexico, near the Baja Peninsula, and towards the southeast. But overall, our entire pattern is really influenced by this large ridge, which typically means between San Antonio, the Rio Grande, El Paso, mainly not much rain. Once you move farther into North Texas into Oklahoma, you'll get on some more rain chances, but in the meantime, it's going to be very short supply for rain in the area. Okay, so to the tropics very quickly, we have Invest 96L, a tropical wave that has no immediate threat to land. It's east of Bermuda, and you'll see it has a medium chance of development. It was high earlier this weekend. However, it has encountered some wind shear, some dust, and that's what's kind of keeping it relatively weak at this hour. Medium chance of development for this particular tropical wave. No threats to land. If it were named, Tropical Storm Emily is next name on the list, and then after that, it's Tropical Storm Franklin. We'll see if that happens in this area. All right, 7-day forecast. Take a look. Tomorrow, 102, small chance at rain overnight, Tuesday night and early Wednesday. Otherwise, a very hot forecast. Temperatures way above average in the triple digits, 102 to 104 for the next 7 days. Be careful, stay hydrated, and limit time outside, guys, because this is very dangerous heat in San Antonio.